Okay guys, tapos lang namin mag-breakfast. Punta kami ngayon sa San Sebastian Church, ang aking alma mater. Doon ako nag-high school. Ibisita lang kami.
What if when we go back there, I'm like, Mia, oh my gosh, we miss you so much. This is the best, the best alumni.
I know.
Oh my gosh, and everyone was shaking
we
your
miss
hand.
you.
And it used to be the hot. It used to be the.
Talaga lang ha. Kata.
Used to be the heartthrob. You're like Dad's friend that keeps saying, "Oh, you know, Macapagaw." Remember?
Grabe naman itong alam nito. Tutut ka sa sabog na.
Sa ano, hindi sila strict sa seatbelt sa Thailand.
That's Mendiola. Mendiola.
This is, anong
Papunta
bridge to?
Malacanang.
Pati sa likod, may tawag dyan sa likod.
Iba, grabe, iba na, no? Ayun, ginagawa siya, oh. San Sebastian, a parking.
Is your high school or college? High school.
School.
And this is my dorm before, my college dorm, St. Rita College. This one? They have a store. Then pasok mo. No, your entrance is They have a store.
May
I don't know.
nursing na sila? Ang San Sebastian, may nursing na?
Here, that's where our entrance. There's nursing, yeah. Ito, this is where our entrance. Going to the St. Rita dormitory. Right there, we're gonna go up. Our ano is in the second floor. Wow, so your high school is right beside your dorm? Why so close? Yeah, pinagtagpo talaga kami. We really. I don't want to go out the car seat.
Talaga, for the record talaga, naka-record yan, ha?
Eh, ano naman masama, hindi ba?
Oh, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
So guys, dito ako nag-high school. Papasyal namin si Nadine. Ito. Yan. San Sebastian. Dito ako nag-high school way back 87. Gumraduate dito ako ng 87. And si Len daw dyan daw siya nag-dorm nung nasa CEU? CEU siya. And diba, punta tayo doon sa simbahan. Yung all metal na simbahan. So under renovation ang harapan ng simbahan. It's been a while. Ilang years yun? 1987. Isang napakagandang simbahan. All metal. So, ito lang ang simbahan na made of steel. Steel yan. Steel. All around steel. So pag ginugel nyo siya, makikita nyo kung kailan siya tinayo. Kasi hindi ko na ni-research para sa inyo. Habang pinapanood nyo to, pwede kayong buksan ng another tab at i-google nyo na lang San Sebastian Church. Isa siyang napakagandang simbahan. Grabe. Ilang dekada? 3 dekada. Bago ako nakabalik. Kita nyo, kinakalawang siya. Kasi nga puro bakal siya. all metal. Tingnan mo yung pinto. Sa harapan. Ano? Pinto na lang. Grabe, ang bigat yan. Ganda na simbahan, no? Grabe. Para ka nasa Vatican. Hi guys. So yun nga pinakita ko kay Nadine ang San Sebastian Church. Tsaka yung may aking alma mater. Dito ako gumraduate ng high school 1987. Puro lalaki pa kami noon. Then after a year, ginawa na nilang co-ed.
Not co-ed.
Ginawa na nilang co-ed after kami yung last batch. Yeah.
So was that like 1940?
Yeah. 1940 na. Alright, see you guys.